The mother and the sister charged in the murder of one of two brothers in St. Mary last year have been remanded. Now, we spoke to distraught family members after today's hearing. Herman Green has this primetime news follow-up.
Accused women, 32-year-old Anne-Marie Forrester and her mother, 63-year-old Liverna Forrester, again appeared in the St. Mary Parish Court on Thursday to answer to murder charges. It's believed that Liverna Forrester conspired with her daughter to kill one of her sons, 23-year-old Jerome Forrester, in December last year. Distraught family members, including another daughter, Suzette Montague, were again at the court to hear the proceedings.
My mommy looked very traumatized. Also, my sister Anne-Marie, she was looking so traumatized and she was looking very sad at the moment. She was looking they were looking very depressed at the moment when I see them.
It's understood that neither of the women had legal representation, and so the court has assigned legal aid counsel to represent them. They were remanded until February 18. The two were taken into custody on December 30 after the dismembered body of Jerome Forrester was found in a knitted bag in bushes behind the family house. His sister, Anne-Marie, had reported him missing the day before. It's believed that he was chopped to death on Christmas Day. Community members who believed Jerome's brother, Alfred Jabby Forrester, carried out the killing mounted a search for the sibling. Alfred's body was found with stab wounds to the abdomen the following day. It's still not clear what the family dispute was about, but their relatives say they are all shaken by the developments.
We are not coping good. Even our little daughter, as you can see there, I have to be held in her because she didn't want to leave from me. And I have to leave her with her aunt, go up there, find out the details and get back. And right now, I would say our daughter is so traumatized, just as me, just as my other sisters, my brother and the whole entire family.
When the women return to court on February 18, their bail application will be made and considered. Herman Green, TVJ News.